In this video, I'm doing a stir fry on the flat top grill. I love doing this, so stick around and check it out. G'day everybody and welcome to my Aussie Gardening Kitchen. My name's Darren, but please call me Daz, and I'm a retired qualified chef. It's been quite a while since I've been a chef, but you don't lose those things that you learn, and I cook at home when I can. And as you can see, doing a stir fry here is one of my favourite things to do, and as I said earlier, it's on the flat top grill, so stick around and check it out, and hopefully you can do this too and enjoy it yourself. Thanks. Alright, we've got the grill nice and hot, so what I'm going to do is just get a bit more oil onto the grill, like so. And then we've got our noodles here, we've got the bean sprouts, we've got the veggies. So I'm going to get the veggies on, like so. And we'll just spread them out, get them touching all of that surface, like so. And then we've got the chicken here. We're just going to place this chicken on here. And I'm just putting the chicken onto this side here just to get some grill marks onto the chicken. This chicken will not take too long to cook at all. And it's got a nice light marinade on it, and it actually smells fantastic. Just giving these veggies a bit of a stir, making sure they get a bit of colour, brings out the flavours, and also we want that surface to touch the temperature of the grill, the heat of the grill, and to cook them through a little bit. Being a stir fry, you don't want them soggy. There we go, just like that. This chicken, just going to turn the chicken over, because what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take the chicken and move it over to the grill and toss it in the stir fry as well. This video is part of the Last Chance Cook-Off 2022 collaboration that's got around 100 channels involved. I think the subscriber base for all those channels is 900,000 to almost 1 million subscribers. There's prizes involved. So for you, you've got a chance to actually win some awesome prizes by many sponsors, but I'll leave links down below with all the information that you need. So thanks very much for being here and watching mine. So those lines on the chicken not only give it a bit of presentation, but they're actually getting a bit of flavour happening with that caramelisation of the flavours there. As you can see from the colour of the chicken, this gas jet is not working properly. So that's fine, because these are the main ones that I'm working with. So it's important when doing a stir fry like this, you want to keep the vegetables all at a universal shape. So you want to keep the capsicums, or the red peppers as people say overseas, all the same size as, say, the carrots and the onion. And then the snow peas. Snow peas cook quite quickly, so I'm quite happy to have them cut in half and left in big chunks like this. What I love about stir fry on the grill is that you don't need a protein like a chicken or a beef or a fish. You can get it over here and cook a stir fry with vegetarian ingredients only, and that way you've got fresh, beautiful vegetables served with whatever you want to do on the grill. You've got friends that are vegetarians, they can have something as well, and it's got that nice barbecue taste. Alright, that's looking really good. So, as always with stir fries, you do not want to overcook your veggies. So I'm going to take the vegetables off, pop them into this metal pan. This is smelling so good right now. So those veggies are right where I want them. They've got a bit of snap and crunch to them. They still keep their original colour, and they've got a bit of char from the grill top. Cannot go wrong here. So I'm just going to transfer this chicken over to the grill, like so. And this part here is just making sure that the chicken's cooked right through, and I'm not going to make anybody sick by having a chicken that's not cooked properly. Let's get the bean shoots. Love bean shoots. And as always, if you're getting them from the supermarket, wash them. Always wash them. Bit of oil. Now you may have noticed that I'm not putting salt and pepper on my food. That's because the chicken's marinated. And I've got a little sauce here that I've already made, and that's going to go over everything, and that's enough flavouring because the soy sauce for the salt flavour, as well as other ingredients in there already to flavour those ingredients. Just going to pop those veggies over here to stay warm. Okay, that chicken is going to be pretty much done. So we'll pop the chicken in with the veggies. Look at that colour. Look at that colour on the chicken. So this is also quite an economical meal that you can do on the barbecue and feed a lot of people. So rather than buying a lot of steaks, for instance, and spending all the money on steaks for so many people, you can have 1 or 2 chicken breasts, some vegetables, and away you go. You've got a stir fry on the grill, and it's quite cheap. It's a really decent meal that you can do on the grill that's slightly different. People probably don't have all the time. Just get those sprouts spread out. And just making sure those veggies are not burning on the heat of the grill there. Absolutely love bean sprouts in a stir fry. Cannot go wrong. Alright, I'm going to take these off. I don't want them done too much. We'll just pop them on top like that. Now what I could have done was actually clean the grill down in between the chicken, the veggies and the sprouts. So the sprouts are a little dirty, but hey, it's a barbecue. But for presentation, it's good to wipe down the grill in between ingredients just to keep them nice and clean. So what I can actually do is chuck this other pan on top just to keep the heat in there. It will steam a little bit, but that's fine. It's not going to go soggy. So I'll just wipe the grill down. So one more time, we've got some oil. Get the oil onto the grill. That's going to heat up quite quickly with this heat. Now, just for reference, I've got this grill actually turned up all the way. It's flat chat hot the whole time, just like doing a stir fry on a wok at home. Noodles. Now you can use whatever noodles you like. These are a thin egg noodle, so you can do a thin egg noodle, you could do a Hokkien noodle. There's so many noodles that you could do a stir fry like this with. You could do a Singapore-like noodle. So these ones are great. We're just going to get them on the grill like this. These ones in particular, these actually come shelf stable on a supermarket shelf, pre-cooked, so you're pretty much only really heating them up and using them straight away. I really like these ones on the grill and in stir fries in particular. Just spreading them out just so they can touch all the surface of the grill and heat up as quick as possible. Just going to check these veggies. Yep, they're looking fine. I love the colour on that chicken. Love it. I'm just constantly moving the noodles so they don't stick and burn. Okay, now I'll just grab one. Okay, that's quite hot. Oh, delicious. Nice and hot. What we'll do now is I will grab this hot pan with a cloth and I'll pour that stir fry back in there, like so. Let's just mix this together. And then one last thing is I've got a sauce here of honey, soy, garlic, ginger, and I'm just going to pour that over. That's the last bit of flavour. Listen to that sizzle. We'll get them all mixed in together. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is done. We'll turn off the gas. Just a tip, you should actually turn off the gas at the bottle first, not here. I've actually turned them off here first, but it's good practice to turn off at the bottle first and then turn these off once the gas supply is cut off. Plate here for presentation, for serving I should say. I cannot tell you how good this smells. It is fantastic. And look at that. This here really does not cost that much. I would do this anytime if I was on a budget. If you're going to feed a lot of people at a barbecue, you just can't go wrong with something like this. There you go, there's my stir fry on the grill. Looking forward to this. Alright, so there you have it. That's my stir fry. If you click on this video on the screen right now, it'll take you to another one of my stir fries that I do on a wok in the kitchen. Thanks very much for being here. If you could give me a thumbs up and subscribe and share me out to friends and all that good stuff, I do appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.